Dustin Bradford, his father Larry, Zach Skeen, the American Dream Crew. They are hoping to close the deal. This is the 6th time they've been in the final round. Green lights on both sides, candles lit, and the win light comes on for Ray Stringer. 409 at 181 miles an hour against Dustin Bradford's 417 at 170. Man, oh man, what a drag race. Ray Stringer with a... They move to Funny Car, and they find themselves in the final round for the first time at their 2nd ever Funny Car Chaos race. So, might this be foreshadowing for the rest of the year? Let's find out. 200 proof on the left side, Penny Pincher on the right side, Iowa versus Texas. Flash of amber green lights and a good drag race going on there. The win light on the tower side. Kirk Williams gets the mojo back and goes down into the 3.7 second zone. Low ET and top speed of the event on the final round. What about that for Kirk Williams? Oh yeah, by the way, his reaction time 0:03.